moments. My sassy girl, but then, I don't know, it's not nice. The captivating king, how about that? Let's put that on the list. The captivate. Taga saan ka? Taga Cagayan Valley po. Cagayan Valley. Kayo. Pero wala ako dyan sa Pilipinas. The Last Empress, Flower Crew, not cool. Underneath the Queen's umbrella. The King's affection. I like the Kings at the moment. I've actually started watching it, but somehow I didn't like it. Moon, ganda naman. Thank you po. Moon Embracing Sun. Moon Embracing the Sun. Oh, this is Kim Soo-yoon. Nakaka-boring kasi. Uy, nagugutom ako. My God. It's so early. It's only 8:53. Last night, I had 2 dinners. May asawa na po ako. Nandyan siya sa Pilipinas. Senses of aura from the girls of the palace. Queen Yun orders her to read their fates to see whether one will marry the queen. Oo, meron na nga. Nandyan man yan sa ano ko, sa mga YouTube, Nagbablog ka po, sir. Tapos, ano siya, di ba tiga Luzon ako, tiga Mindanao siya. Sabi nga, mula Apari hanggang Holo. I'm gonna watch this because it's Kim Soo-yoon. Thank you, six people there, and thank you for the 4 likes. Please like the live. Let's try watching this again. It's the Kim Soo-yoon Korean, forgot the name. Moon Embracing the Sun. The Moon Embracing the Sun. Thank you, Lucky Moranan. Yung na-addict ka na sa K-drama, no? I'm so addicted with it. Good morning! Magandang umaga! Nambaga bigati wami na po. 9 million people. Please like the live. And then I have like quick links on my bio. If you click them, and you can follow me on my Facebook page, my Facebook personal, my TikTok, my Instagram. So you can follow me there, and then we can connect there. We can share ideas with each other. But no bastos there, no awful words in there, okay? Even here. Kaja. Let's go, Kaja. I know already, right? Look what I'm watching. And so I'm watching. I'm gonna go get some coffee, guys. Hello, what's happened to my nose? It's shiny. It's like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Thank you, 3 million people.
산천을 돌며 심신을 정화시켰으니 그 어느 때보다 맑은 눈을 지녔을 터. 두 아이 중 장차 왕후가 될 상이 있는지 가려내거라.
Thanks, guys. Thanks 4 million people.
잠시만 여기서
Gugutom ako.